Today's question is, what do I do if I have trouble coming up with content for social media? Now, this is a common problem I hear people talking about all the time on Instagram. And the app, or really the website I want you to know about, is an application called Pixie Stock. A lot of the applications that I've shared with you up until this point have been run by corporations, and I have no personal connection to the people who run it. However, this particular website is run by another Black woman in business. Alicia Powell is an incredible marketing strategist. And I absolutely love not only what she does, but how she does it. So if you're in a position where you need more diverse stock photos, you need Canva templates, or you really have no idea what to post and a content calendar provided for you would be beneficial, I would love for you to go to LaShondaBrown.com/Pixie Stock. Because not only do I think this website is incredible, I'm a customer of Pixie Stock and I have recently become an affiliate. So hopefully after watching this video, you'll at least go to LaShondaBrown.com/Pixie Stock and sign up for Alicia's email list. She's going to provide you with 25 free stock photos and you'll receive a monthly Canva template for free. So on the homepage, it says, get unlimited downloads to thousands of stylish photos and graphic templates for your business. And what I love about Pixie Stock is it really has niched down to serving female entrepreneurs, bloggers, and creative professionals. So if that is not something that really describes you as a business owner, Pixie Stock may not be a good fit for you. However, if it does sound like you, this is going to fit you like a glove. One of the things that really drew my attention when I went to Pixie Stock was her content calendar. Now, I have the 2020 content calendar, and now she's added even more benefit for those people looking to buy the calendar for 2021. She's actually including it not as a standalone, but an entire bundle. And so if you scroll down, she's going to show you what is included for $47. Absolutely insane. 850 plus social media prompts, 570 posts planned out for you in a 12-month calendar, 100 social media engagement graphics, thousands of hashtag suggestions, caption starter cheat sheet. I mean, truly, all of these resources is absolutely incredible. And for those of you who enjoy being a part of Facebook communities, she also has one called the Brand Builders Lounge for members. So I'm telling you, if you have really been struggling with Instagram, if you've been going to Instagram saying, I have no idea what to say, what image to use, how to even know when to post, Pixie Stock is a fantastic option. And so you can see all the people who have incredible testimonials. So if you look at some of the stock photos that she provides on her website, you're going to see diversity in models, you're going to see decorative items, but it is really more minimalist, which I think is super helpful for people who are trying to make stock photos look like they are a part of their brand. So you can become a member of just the stock photo part of what Pixie Stock does. And it's a completely different ball game from what I was doing when I did Eye for Ebony. Eye for Ebony was more about lifestyle photos, showing faces, incorporating models of all ages, and she's really trying to generate content specifically for female entrepreneurs. So if that is something that you're into, if some of these styled stock photos really fit your brand, this could be a great solution for you. And right now she's offering a 20% off the annual plan. So if you scroll down, you'll see that you can actually search her database based on your brand's color palette, which is absolutely unreal. You're going to get the social media content calendar, and you're also going to get some incredible looking Canva templates for you to use for your business. So if you have been wanting to design some lead magnets, if you've been needing to make some business cards, or again, some IG story templates, This is a great one-stop shop for you to get some really well-designed assets so that you don't have to constantly pay someone else to design this for you. Not everyone can hop into Canva and make it look like a graphic designer had their hand on your brand. So if that's a struggle for you, you don't need to keep struggling. You can pay for a website like Pixie Stock, utilize that membership because you have a commercial use license, and you can use those stock photos and those templates to sell your ebooks, to sell your course content, or to develop lead magnets so that you can grow your email list. So I know this was super short, sweet, and to the point, but I hope that by bringing attention to a website like Pixie Stock, you're able to open your eyes to some of the options that are available. Now, there are other people who will do part of this. They'll do the stock photos, they'll do the Canva templates, or they'll help you with generating content. But what I like about Pixie Stock is it is a one-stop shop. Now, before I let you go, if you have been searching for diverse stock photos, go to LaShonda M. Brown on Instagram and look for this Black post. This is something that I created for the Black Excellence Network of Lynchburg, and I reposted it on my personal Instagram because I wanted to share the resource with more people. So what I did is I actually highlighted not only I for Ebony, but She Bold Stock, Create Her Stock, Honey Social, and Pixie Stock to show you some of the other options that are available for diverse stock photos. So just a little inspiration to you guys, if you have not signed up for the Bootstrap Club, one of the things that's really cool is I provide you with 27 of my stock photos. Now, again, I am not Alicia Powell. I am not Pixie Stock. I'm not going to be, putting keyboards and clipboards and scissors in my images, but what I am going to do is I'm going to celebrate Black people of all shades, shapes, and sizes in vibrant lifestyle stock photos. So you're going to get those 27 images that you see there, along with all of those other benefits, your 30 Instagram quote graphics, how to set your prices, 7 keys to a strong brand, quarterly biz income and expense spreadsheet, printable daily time blocking sheet, branding cheat sheet, YouTube channel checklist. Like, seriously, guys, I have never actually put down what is inside the VIP vault. I just assumed if I told you that there were free resources that you would flock to it and that you would join. But now I realize, after seeing people like Alicia Powell online, that it's important, if you are providing value, shout it from the rooftops. Let people know exactly what they're going to get. So in all transparency, I have renamed the VIP vault, and I'm calling it the Bootstrap Club. And so you can hop over to the Bootstrap Club, you can join for free, and you'll get access to those photos and all of that content. And if you want to support the channel, you can choose to upgrade your Bootstrap Club membership by becoming either a fan or a supporter to get access to more content. So again, if you are a female entrepreneur, then I think something like Pixie Stock is a fantastic fit. Feel free to go to LaShondaBrown.com/Pixie Stock and sign up for that membership. But if you are looking for more generic resources like PDF slide decks or a pricing guide template or an email header template, then maybe, just maybe, the new Bootstrap Club will be a great fit for you. Thanks so much for stopping by 30 Days of Apps. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you know when I've uploaded the next video in this series. My name is LaShonda, and this is Bootstrap Biz Advice, where I teach you how to grow your biz without breaking the bank. If you need help with your website, click on the link in my description to check out my Squarespace Expert Designer profile. You can also gain access to my resource library for free by clicking on the link in my description. Until next time, ta-ta for now.